Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset Snapchat My Eyes Only password without losing everything. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open the Snapchat application and click on the icon with the screen icon, and here you need to go into the My Eyes Only, and here you need to go and click on options and click on forgot passcode, and here you need to enter your password and click on next, and here you need to that to creating a new password, so you can click on learn more continue because this is the only method, and here you need to create your new passcode. So this is a process by which you can create your new passcode. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.